Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Valencia here, and I'm very excited to be playing this game with FireWall Gaming. What's up, FireWall? It's funny, FireWall does not know what this game is.
I just no joke. He goes, hey, download this game, and I get there and it's $1, so I'm like, whatever, I'll buy it.
Okay, so guys,
He's doing all the intros for all the videos, and I do all the outros. We'll record together. So
just letting you guys know, it's 10:20. It's 10:35 at night right now,
yeah, for both
and
of us.
I'm not gonna lie, you guys might call me a pussy, but this game is kind of scary if you play it right. Like, turn the lights down.
So I'm not that scared.
Turn the lights off and then put on your headset. It's pretty okay scary.
Yeah.
I don't know. But yeah, the reason why I'm excited is because this is a new map. Like, I haven't played this. I'm Ginger. Oh shit, I changed the map.
He just revealed his face. This is my face reveal, everybody. Maybe that one.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Each one of these has a weird trait to it.
Whoa, how'd you get the guy with the mask? I can't get that guy.
I'm gonna be this guy. Whoa, what's that guy doing?
Whoa. What? Kick him out. Kick him out.
Get out of here.
How do we do it? How do we kick
I got it. I got it.
Hey, we have a random joining. Yay.
Okay.
You know what's funny? He's gonna never know that he was on YouTube.
You might.
Maybe. Alright, let's start.
You ready?
A flashlight plus 1. I don't get that. I don't get what those perks are. 'Cause I
3,
have not played this.
2, 1.
I almost
Look
said
out!
Valencia go. I almost said Valencia go.
That was a weird laugh.
Dude, I'm so close to my mouth. What the hell? Wait, how do I play? How do I play? How do I play? Whoa, 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 oh, that's Valencia.
It tells you right there.
Okay.
So we have to find all the tape recorders. Ah!
Valencia, you look so stupid.
You look stupid.
Dude, it's
My name's
popped up
Frank.
on my screen. I'm shaking right now.
Oh
We're
my
not
god.
splitting up, by the way. I'm sticking with you.
We're not? Okay.
Sorry.
This
Actually,
is,
you go that way. Alright, yeah, you go that way, I'll go this way.
This is you never, wait, before we go, wait. The flashlight on and off, just to like, keep pressing X.
X? Whoa.
If you want to get, like, if you're scared or something and just want my attention, just do that. Alright? Hello?
Yeah. Okay. Dude, I honestly, I don't want to split up. Valencia, come back.
We're in the same room.
I know. Coming towards you.
Did you see what the recorders look like?
What?
Did you see what the recorders look like?
Yeah, they're like little things.
Okay.
I'll know when I see it.
Little
Does
things.
stuff like randomly pop up on your screen, or?
No. Not really, but it's on hard.
Like Slenderman? I think it's like Slenderman. I'm just gonna go with. It's Slenderman on Xbox, everybody.
I guess you could say that.
Whoa, wait, what was that?
Someone's pointing a flashlight outside of my window, and I'm actually kind of scared now.
Outside your window?
Like, I'm not even kidding. Someone just pointed a flashlight in my face.
Oh, that's me. I'm scared. Whoa! What does that sound? Valencia, seriously. Valencia, where are you?
Oh shit!
Where are you?
I actually don't know. I'm kind of lost.
Do you see bookshelf? Wait, can I go in here? X. Oh, no! Valencia, my lights turned off. Oh, there. No, never mind.
You can turn them
Wait,
back
I found
on.
A recording. I found a recording.
Get it.
How do I get it?
I don't press buttons.
Oh
Oh!
my God,
Oh shit!
I got one.
Oh, that scared me. Oh! I have the volume too high.
Dude, my volume's off. Oh my God, Valencia, over here.
Where? Oh shit! I'm facing. Oh, there you are. Hey.
Go this way.
You look really old.
Suck my dick.
Okay.
Oh God, dude, I'm legitimately shaking right now. Because I'm like, I don't want to scream, because I don't want to wake anybody up in my house.
Oh,
Especially
okay.
because I have school tomorrow. Yeah, I'm screwed.
I do too.
Yeah, final stuck.
Honestly, they do.
God,
My
every
room's
time I
pretty
turn a
scary.
corner- God, Valencia, where are you?
I'm right behind you.
What? Where?
Key.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Your face is pretty scary. You're like mad.
Do I fit? You're in a skeleton costume with like the weirdest face of them all.
Oh
What's
shit.
that? Is that like a rocket? Dude, there's a rocket on the design. Come here.
Oh yeah. Let's go to the rocket.
Yeah, let's go to the rocket.
Wait, I'm gonna go this
Why
way.
am I leading? You lead.
I'm gonna go this way. Let's split up for a little bit.
Another way?
Yeah.
No, it's not. This is a bad idea.
Well, you're doing
Oh
it
my God,
anyway.
there's a rocket. I
Oh,
found a
there's
rocket.
actually a freaking like rocket jet.
Like legit, there's a rocket.
There's noises that I do not like.
Dude, this isn't even scary.
You're not scary.
When does stuff pop up on your screen?
I don't know.
Oh! Dude, he's right there! He's right there! He's right there! He's right there!
Yeah, where does Bob's
What? Oh my God!
I don't see him. And there's probably a recording up here, so. Oh,
I saw him.
is that it?
I'm staying with you, bud. How do I?
There's
direct-
aliens, look! It's a sign, Illuminati confirmed.
Dude, you don't know how scared I am, right? Hey, I got one.
I got one.
Dude. Oh my God, like I honestly pissed my pants. Just a little bit.
Who did you see?
Who did I see? It was what did I see?
Well, yeah, well, what did you see? I don't know. Are these locker rooms? Oh, you go first. Ah, you are a bitch. I'm doing this by myself.
Dude, I saw something and it freaked the crap out of me. It was like in a white, it kind of looked like you, and I don't know if it was you or, I think it was you, but something did go off on my screen and it scared me.
It wasn't me. I
Oh, yeah,
can't
by the way,
scare you.
Me and Valencia FaceTime just to make sure that we were playing in the dark. So.
Oh yeah, I was recording when I did that. I'm putting that in the video.
Oh, what? Oh! Valencia, he's here! He's here! Valencia, don't leave me! Valencia!
I want to get the scary stuff.
No, you don't. Oh my God.
Are we back at the rocket? Oh.
Yeah, we're back at the rocket. You gotta go back through there. I ran towards you because I saw him. What?
Wait, you can run?
Yeah.
How do you run?
LT.
Oh. Oh, cool. I did not. I forgot about that.
God,
I'm booking
I
it.
haven't played this game, but I figured. What? That's creepy. That's a creepy wall. I spent
Yeah,
a
that
while on
actually-
this game for me to piss myself. That's cool. Is this a train? I think this is a train. Yeah, it's a train.
It's a creepy ass train. Go in the train, FireWall. I think you can go in there.
Oh my God. Okay, fine. I'll go in the train.
Oh wait, no,
nope,
you
I
can't.
can't go in the train. Never mind.
The heck's the point of this?
Oh, I hear stuff. He's here. Whoa! Whoa! What's that, Valencia? Valencia, bull crap. This is some serious bull. You don't just leave me like that.
What's what? I didn't see anything.
I didn't see anything either, but I heard something. Hey, Valencia, come on over here. Come on. You can call us pussies. I don't care, but you sit down. You play this game at 10 o'clock at night with the lights turned all the way off.
And your volume all the way up.
Yeah, and your volume all the way up. Having a headset on, listening to Valencia's stupid talk.
I can shut up, you know. Have the creepy
No,
shit.
please don't. You don't.
Oh man. Where the hell's the recording here? I'm hearing voices. I'm not even kidding. You're going first, you know that, right?
Why?
Because you're going in front of me. You're choosing to do that.
No. How do I even jump this gap? Like, that's not even legit. Alright, cool. Let's go back in here.
I'm walking in there.
Where?
I haven't seen, like, I forget what this guy kind of looks like, and I haven't seen him. So I'm honestly pretty scared.
I saw, like, one bit of him, I think. And I, no joke, pissed myself. Whoa, what's that? What's it right there?
Where?
Is that a sink? Is that a
Yeah. Just a random sink in there.
Why is it small?
A sink
is
for
it?
midgets.
Well, I'm taller than you on my screen, so, yeah. Wait.
Really?
Is that a Is that a camera?
Yep.
Watching us.
This is how he knows. Ah! Oh shit! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh! Oh!
Oh my god! He's right behind us. He's right behind
That scared the shit out of me. I'm running. I forgot you can run. Ah! Oh god.
us. Yeah.
Ah!
God.
Oh no!
Oh
That's...
my god. Oh
God
my
damn! The jump scares are real.
Dude, he scared the crap out of me. I turned the corner and I saw his full body.
Seriously.
I
Ah!
forgot what he looks like too.
No! Damn,
Oh,
I
no,
hate
he's
this.
White.
He's white as hell.
Yeah.
He's a abominable snowman.
Came out- It doesn't look like he's come outside for a long ass time.
I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thumbnail. Like, have a scary ass picture on it.
Oh no, I'm putting like happy bunnies and stuff.
Happy buddies and ponies and all that kind of joyous stuff.
Dude, I'm putting My Little Pony on my thumbnail. No joke.
It's like, hey, click on this video. It's.
Wait, are we at the Rockets?
I hope not. This isn't the
Whoa,
Rocket.
Whoa. New place, new place.
Yeah, new place. This place looks like an auditorium or like a gym.
No, dude, this is the place off the picture. Off the picture. Remember
Oh
that guy?
yeah. This
Dude,
room's
look at that
scary.
butt, though. Look at that ass.
Ooh, that ass though. That's a sexy ass. Oh, found the recording. Wait, one thing I want to like shut when the recording when you get the recording like stay quiet because I want to hear what it says, right?
Alright.
It's all over.
Nope.
It's all over now. It's all over now. Shrek is coming for us. Shrek is coming for us.
Shrek is not love and Shrek is not life.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is a weird ass game. Why did I even spend $1 on this?
Cause what else were you gonna spend $1?
We're back at the locker rooms if we want to go back in there.
Well, let's go another way then. How the heck did we find the like?
New place. Actually, a new place. Over here.
Okay.
Hey, bud, yeah.
I'm going through another entrance. It's right here. Wait, these are locker rooms. It's the same thing, isn't it?
No, it's not. But look at the wall. I don't think that was there last time.
I am not sure. I'm actually kind of scared because I hate being lost. I don't know about you, especially in the dark.
Hey, no. Let's go in here. Oh, let's go this way. This has an
Wait.
arrow. It should be good.
All of these had arrows. I hope you know. Wait, what is this though? It has like bricks and a fence. I think that's a little lock.
Yeah, maybe it's locked.
This should be interesting. I have goosebumps.
Why do we
I have
call
a-
it a he? Maybe it's a she.
Oh, yeah. I have goosebumps. Which way do we go?
Hey, Lo, dude, this. Oh no, we were just at that place. This way.
Oh, yeah. So it's that way?
Yeah, this way.
It's weird because this map actually has like the directions and the other ones don't.
Yeah. Alright.
Like you're completely lost. Oh shit! You were in the lockers! That is not No! Oh no, what are you doing there now? What?
No.
I'm done.
No. Like I said, he doesn't want us going that way. Just keep walking.
Oh.
Keep running.
He was blocking this way last time.
Maybe he's
My-
luring us in.
Oh, this is a jail oh, okay.
Oh, God. Maybe
Oh.
he's this prison.
Oh. No, I'm getting chills so hard right now.
Lo feels like I'm ending the recording.
I'm gonna scream like a little bitch.
Dude, I don't want to.
Ah! No!
What?
Oh my god, it's not even him, it's like,
I'm gonna run towards him.
it's the noise that gets me.
Dude, I saw a white thing. What the hell? Oh! What
Whoa, what the hell's happening to you? What? What? What the, what the hell happened to you? What the hell? You were the fucking exorcist, what the hell? What? Whoa, what? What are you doing? You're all white now, you're a
I
ghost.
can see in the dark. Dude, I pissed myself.
I'm finishing this. 4 more recordings.
Oh my god, but now I can see. Oh, here's another little sink.
This isn't as fun though, because you're not with me enjoying the scariness.
Oh, Valencia, that's what I died to. That's what I died to. Go back, go back, go back, go back. I died to that.
It's a dildo!
Yeah, I died to that.
You died to that?
Don't go close to it, apparently.
They're static.
Don't go towards it. Don't go towards it, Valencia.
Just don't look at it and you're good.
I can look at it fine now, but you just don't.
Yeah, I know. It's like staticky and then it goes away
Yeah,
if you don't look at it.
No, I saw it in the jail cell, and then I went close to it, and I was like, whoa.
God, you're
I
dumb.
was gonna make a joke out of it, but dude, I'm like no joke shaking right now.
Why? You're like not. You can see. I can't.
Yeah, I can see, but I'm still thinking he's like, for me helping you, he's gonna punish me. I don't know, something like that. Pissed myself.
He's gonna punch you, boy.
I'm taking a shower again.
A shower?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Ah! Ah! Okay, not that way, not that way, not that way, not that way. The guy, he's there.
No,
Oh.
What do I look like? What do I look like? Am I the guy?
You're like transparent. You're like blue and transparent. Like I could see through you.
Yeah, like there's blue and stuff. Yeah, that's all I can see is like blue and stuff.
I kind of want to just kill myself so we can do this again.
Oh my god.
I'm back at the dildo. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing. So keep going straight and go that way, and then go into the door that's by the dildo.
Should I kill myself so we can do this all like together?
Keep going, keep going.
Hey guys, we're back. I'm pretty sure you guys saw the first part, but this is white noise, and we're back because last time FireWall died, and I did not want to go through that by myself. Mostly because like it's not as fun doing it by yourself. Like it's half of the fun is having scares with people, and there's blood on the floor, so yeah.
I'm gonna go towards it. That's how stupid I am.
You're a white person. That's why you always die in scary movies.
No, black people die first, Valencia. That's all you.
I'm not black. I'm like.
Oh, Geronimo. Sorry.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, shots fired. Kill me. Whatever.
Ow. Well, what the hell are they doing in this painting?
Is that like an exorcism?
They're like, wow, what's happening here? Wow, look at that penis. Penis.
That's a one damn small penis. Oh my god, dude, last time that I died, like no joke, when they were watching my perspective, I screamed so loud.
I didn't hear you, like, scream.
I was like in shock, mostly.
Whoa! Oh yeah, I remember this route.
Oh yeah, he's played this, I haven't, so.
It's dangerous to go alone. Don't you tell me what to do, game!
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
And why is there static?
He's coming after me. Valencia,
Why is there static? Why is there static?
Come on, where are you?
I'm by like Buddha heads. I don't know how to describe this place.
I'm going back to the penis dating.
Did we seriously just lose ourselves? Oh, Jesus.
God damn it.
Oh! I found a recording though.
Really click on it. Just get it.
No, but it's, yeah, I'm going towards
Oh, I
it.
found Buddha heads. I found Buddha heads.
Oh, I'm in here. Do you see me?
Oh, I saw a flashlight. I saw a flashlight.
I'm flashing it.
I'm flashing mine.
I'm like in the middle of them. Go in the middle of them.
Alright. I saw it. I saw that flash.
Oh, there we go.
Hey,
I see you.
hey.
I'm picking this recording up because the static pisses me off.
Press A. Press A on it.
I am. What the hell? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
Oh, got it. Dude, I'm shaking right now.
We're so ghetto playing a ghetto, like, scary game.
Oh my God. I don't want to be here right now. Like this.
I'm pretty curious as to what those paintings mean. And I'm hearing noises. Ah! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh, good! No, no, no! Why are you right behind me? Oh my god! Go! Go! That was horrible! That was horrible! He was right behind me and just turned around. Ah!
Oh my God.
Oh!
Oh my god.
That was not fun.
Alright, let's get back to where he was.
No, he's right there now. Okay, buddy,
Where?
buddy. He's in those pillars. Oh, what?
I'm going into the pillars.
This bitch is trolling the hell out of me. He was right there. He was hiding his dick for me.
Hey, go to the big one. Hey, Valencia, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Come back. Let's go to
Which
the
way do
big
we go?
door over here. The big door
There's-
over here with the
Oh, with the rope?
Yeah, with the red rope.
Ooh, there's like statues over here.
Yeah.
Should be recording here. They're like recordings at like landmarks or whatever you want to call
Oh,
them.
I see one. I see one. I see one.
Alright, yeah, get it.
What?
Press.
I can't pick it up. Oh, I got it. Alright, go into the next room that way.
Okay.
Oh, dude, I just want to find these recordings. Get it.
Wait, what? Can I read this?
Can you?
Terracotta Army. Hey, remove. You're blocking my light.
I can't read it. You can't read it. I tried.
You can read Terracotta Army though.
Yeah, that's about it.
Hey, it's another
Oh, God,
painting.
I hear him.
I heard him growl.
Yeah.
Shrek, is that you?
Pop up soon.
Shrek?
Shrek?
Oh no!
Shrek, are you here?
Whoa, there's a broken pillar over here.
What? Oh God, we're lost again. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. Valencia, Valencia, come back. Seriously, come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back.
I'm right here.
I know.
Is this just pillars? God damn it, stop growling at me!
I don't hear him growl. Let's go this way.
Oh, I'm getting goosebumps. Goosebumps. Oh. Chills, chills, chills. Bad vibes, bad vibes.
Oh my God.
Are these like sofas, chairs?
Valencia, what the crap, Valencia? I said, oh, oh, God.
Oh shit! Hey, hey, hey.
Oh my God.
Where are you?
Right here.
Where? Oh.
Right here. God, I just smacked my
Hey, buddy! No, not again. Not that way.
That way, this way.
This guy. He just wants a hug, but he's misunderstood. Just kidding. I don't want to hug him.
No, last time I tried to hug him, I died. Scared the crap out of me, too.
I'm just following the.
Don't look
Oh,
behind you.
yeah.
Don't look behind you. Don't look behind you.
Oh, there's the
Still there?
ships.
I don't think oh!
Ships.
He's
Look
still
at the
there.
ships.
Hey, he's still over there.
Okay, I wouldn't recommend looking back anymore then. Just
Yeah,
saying.
I'm coming towards you. Because he always seems to attack me. Is it because I'm white?
He's not behind us anymore.
Oh,
God damn it. Every time I turn, I'm so scared to see this face.
I know, dude. I'm like scared to even turn corners now.
You want to enter first? Alright.
Good.
Go!
Going.
Your light, your body's black, your fat body's blocking my light. Like, I can't see. I couldn't see there for a
Your
second.
dude's blocking my light.
My hairdo is awesome.
Oh, we've been that way.
Let's go this way then.
Whoa, that's trippy.
Where? Come over here.
Painting? Is that a painting? I don't think this is a painting.
No, that's just like a... Come over here.
Dead end.
Get over here.
Alright.
I don't think we've been over here.
I don't think we have.
Yeah, how many recordings do we have? Do we only have 2? Jesus.
What? God, we suck.
Wait, I don't think you can check, can you?
No,
No.
I don't. Wait, maybe. Wait. No.
Yeah, no.
Dude, even when you pause the game, you could still. What? Valencia?
Whoa, it's the window outside. Look. Is that pretty outside?
Where
Or
did
what
you
if-
go?
What if we're like in a building where the Forest of Slenderman is? Right here. Look through the window.
Yeah, screw that. Let's go. Let's find a recording so I can get out of here.
Okay, bad. To be honest, I've never beat this game. Like, I've never gone all 8.
Really?
Yeah, like, I used to play this with my friends, but they either didn't want to play because they thought it was stupid, or they got scared and we failed. And
Oh,
yeah,
really?
yep. But that was like 2 years ago, easily.
Oh my God, Valencia. god, why did you make me buy this game? That was
I did
the
not.
worst dollar I've ever spent.
Not make you. How is this the worst? Explain to me.
Hey, follow the footsteps. The bloody footsteps.
Ooh, blood.
Have we
What if
been
it's...
here? No, I
I...
don't think we have. Oh wait, I found mummies. It's
Everything
gonna be
looks
over
the same. God damn it.
here. The recording's gonna be over here.
Oh, I see it. It's in one of the tombs.
He's growling. Yeah, he's growling.
Oh shit! What the hell?
What? Oh! 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 Where did you go?
I'm dead. I'm dead.
No! Shit!
Wait, come over here. Come over here. Look. There's a recording.
Oh shit! Ah! Oh! Oh my god!
No.
Oh my god! Once we're done. We're done. We're done.
You don't want to do this again? Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I just shit my pants.
You just turned me around. That wasn't fair.
Oh my god.
That was not fair.
Screams 4? Yeah, that sounds alright.
Yeah. Oh god.
Now let's watch where we win on the map.
This was probably really bad. Look at that.
We stayed in one spot for like 5 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, we split up. Oh yeah, this is where we got lost.
Screw that. I was like, screw that, and then I came back.
Oh, we found one there.
That's when you found that one.
Oh
I pissed
shit.
myself there.
Yep. I almost shat myself.
Shat himself. I sharded right there.
No, you got a puzzle piece, or you got a recording.
Yeah, still I sharded.
And I'm about to die.
Yep.
Yep. Where do we go? Oh, we went. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we like overlapped. We didn't explore like 3/4 of the map.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I died there. Oh.
Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this gameplay of White Noise Online, which me and Valencia will probably play again at some point. So, and if you guys liked the video, then please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot. And go check out Valencia's channel down in the description. I'm leaving a link there to his channel. Make sure to click that subscribe button because he's awesome.
Keep joining.
Peace out, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, Valencia, we're not playing that ever again. Like, seriously.
No,
So
we are.
again.